It's the start of a new academic year, 2024. To those of you who are coming back, who have been with us in previous years, welcome back. For those of you who are starting for the first time at the Australian National University, welcome to our community. It's wonderful to have you back. I hope you're returning to us refreshed and reinvigorated and excited and pleased to be here, as indeed I and the rest of the staff are. ANU is very much a community. Some of you know this already, some of you are joining, but in terms of what we have to offer, we are a community. We have a wonderful student community. We have a wonderful community of staff. Make the most of that. Reach out, meet your fellow students, join societies, do things, enjoy being here. I'm looking forward to seeing you on campus. Welcome to 2024 at the ANU.